Hello, this is Blake here with Stands Out. Today, we're going to be talking about our very useful and easy to use tablet clamping mount, the Surmount. The Surmount attaches to any desk or table up to 4 inches thick and holds a tablet with its 24-inch long, rigid and flexible gooseneck. This is a great accessory for use at work and for people who are on the go. The Surmount attaches and detaches quickly and doesn't require any tools to use, so you can take it with you to the coffee shop or the airport and use it on your desk at work. We're going to walk through assembling and using the Surmount. When you receive your Surmount and open the box, there's a one-step assembly that you'll have to do before you can use it. Inside the box, you should have the Surmount base and gooseneck, a universal holder, and a universal adapter which will allow you to hold small tablets and even phones, and an owner's manual. Before you can use the Surmount, you'll need to attach the universal holder to the mount. Place the socket on the universal holder onto the ball on the mount. Then slide the nut up and tighten it. The nut should be snug, but there's no need to over-tighten it. In use, loosening the nut will allow you to articulate the ball and socket joint to position your tablet where you want it. It's a good idea to attach the Surmount to your desk or table before you put your tablet in. To do this, press the button on the back of the slide and slide the mount open. Make sure that the knob on the bottom is loosened all the way. Place the Surmount in position on the mounting surface and pull up. Press the button and pull the slide down as far as it will go. Allow it to lock in one of the grooves. Then tighten the knob until the mount is secure. The universal holder is a great new addition to the Stands Out family. This holder will allow you to securely hold any tablet that's currently on the market in either landscape or portrait orientation. That includes the new iPad Air and iPad Mini, Microsoft Surface, Google Nexus, Samsung Galaxy, Kindle Fire, and a host of other tablets, e-readers, and smartphones. Another nice feature of the universal holder is that there is no need to take the tablet out of its case. It has a nice smooth action that is designed to be durable and functional for the lifetime of the product. To attach your tablet, first insert the bottom edge of the tablet into the holder. Reach around the back of the holder and pull the top of the holder over the tablet. When you release it, the holder will automatically grip your tablet. To remove the tablet, just lift the top of the holder and slide the device out. For larger tablets, you may find it is easiest to place the tablet into the holder in landscape mode, then turn it to the orientation you would like. For smaller tablets and phones, you may need to use the included universal adapter. If you're going to turn the holder sideways to place large tablets into portrait mode, please make sure that the tablet is in the holder properly before leaving it unattended. If the tablet is loaded improperly, it could possibly slide out of the holder. If you find that anything is missing from your assembly, please contact us through our website at www.standsout.com. Here's what not to do with your Surmount. Be careful not to bend the gooseneck too tightly. This will likely result in damage to the holder. When using a folding type case, place the hinged part of the case into the top of the holder. We recommend that you test the fit of your tablet and case to find the best fit for you. Thanks for watching, enjoy your Surmount, and don't forget to check out www.standsout.com for more information and for the best iPad and tablet stands on the market. Be sure to like us on Facebook and connect with us on Twitter. Thanks for watching.